Hello, and thanks for taking a few minutes to learn how customers are using Taleo Talent Intelligence to solve everyday challenges in talent management. Today, we'll focus on the Leadership Development Program at New Millennium Bank. New Millennium's leadership program is divided into 3 groups: Executive, Director, and Manager. I'd like to see if we have enough people in each group and how they're progressing against their plans. I'm going to log in as Michael Decker, a leader at New Millennium. First, I'll log in to Taleo Analytics to get a comprehensive view of the status of our leadership programs. I can see here that a large number of the people enrolled in our executive leadership group have not started their development plans. I can also see that while we've got the right number of people in the executive leadership group and nearly enough in the manager group, we have a gap in the number of resources currently aligned to the director program. I'm going to fix this today. Now that Talent Intelligence has given me a status snapshot of the program, I need a bit more detail. So I'm going to Taleo Performance and navigate to the Talent browser. I've seen the Executive Development Program's progression against their development activities. Now I need to drill down. Thanks to the new native report capabilities, I'm going to run a detailed report from right here. Let's run this report on a particular talent pool we've created for the Executive Leadership Program. I want to look at the Development Plan Status report. I'll go to my reports and click on the most current one. Sure enough, I can see the reason that many of the participants haven't completed their plans is because they haven't been approved. I'll correct this later today. I'll close out this report and return to the Talent browser. Since it's currently on my mind, I'm going to review my own development plan and see if there are any outstanding activities for me to complete. Here is my learning plan for the executive program. And while I'm here, I can launch an activity right from my development plan. Now I'll go through my activity and complete my assessment. And you'll notice that when I close the activity status is updated in my development plan, and my progression against the overall plan has increased. Let's go back to the Talent browser. Now I'd like to look through my whole organization to identify any employees that might be a good fit for the Director Leadership Program that needs participants. I'm going to use the Talent browser filters to locate any high potentials with great performance ratings that are not already enrolled in the Leadership Development Program. You can see that 4 employees meet the criteria. I'm going to focus on Katie Pfeiffer. I'll start by taking a look at her profile through the new Employee Snapshot. I can see that she's currently an Assistant Branch Manager, which means she has some experience leading people. She's making great progress against her goal plan, so she's engaged. She has a pretty solid succession plan, so if I end up promoting her as a result of this development plan, we shouldn't be exposed to risk. And her career plan tells me she is definitely interested in progressing to the next leadership role. All of this talent intelligence tells me Katie is a great candidate for our Director Leadership Program. So I'm going to her talent profile and enroll her in the program. Now she's enrolled for reporting purposes. I just need to add the learning activities to her development plan. I'll search for the director level. And add it to her development plan. While I'm here, I'll add some context to the assignment. Now you can see that the next time Katie logs in, she'll see her new activities. Let's go back to the Talent browser. We're going to work on developing Katie, but in the meantime, I'd like to get a good idea what my recruitment pipeline looks like for branch managers, as I currently have an open position that I need to fill right now. I've got a pipeline requisition for branch managers that enables me to continuously source candidates for this critical role at the bank. At the moment, I have 6 candidates I need to review. I want to compare these candidates against each other and determine who might be the best fit to consider for an actual open position. You'll notice I can compare relevant competencies, job experiences, educational backgrounds, and other candidate information in one place. I can even view candidate information in LinkedIn, right here within Taleo. Okay, so Grant Baker is the best fit, and I'm going to match him to this existing open requisition and ask one of my managers to see him for an interview. In just a few clicks, I've been able to get a strategic view across my leadership development programs and run native reports to see tactical statuses. I've completed my own development activities and identified high-potential employees that would be a great fit for New Millennium's leadership development programs. I've assigned related learning activities and helped my team take control over their own careers. And I've identified external talent that could immediately fill a critical open position. All this on a unified talent management system using the power of Taleo Talent Intelligence.